Namaste students, I Jevin Vishnu Samothya, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Session Method and Preparation of Alkanes. Now we discuss first method and preparation of Wurtz reaction. Wood reaction when a 2 moles of a alkanes halide react with sodium in the presence of dry ether, alkane is formed. The silver and zinc can also be used in a place of sodiums. Now students अपन बात कर रहे हैं मेथड एंड प्रिपरेशन. अपन को क्या बनाना है? एल्केन का मेथड एंड प्रिपरेशन करना है, मतलब प्रिपरेशन फॉर्मेशन करना है एल्केन्स का. तो उसकी सबसे पहली रिएक्शन पढ़ रहे हैं अपन वुड्स रिएक्शन. And what is Wurtz reaction? The Wurtz reaction is a very useful reaction in the field of organic chemistry and organometallic chemistry for the formation of alkanes. In these reactions, two different alkyl halides are coupled to yield a longer alkane chain with the help of sodium and dry ether solution. स्टूडेंट अभी मैंने बात आपको बताया था कि किसका सॉल्यूशन होता है? सोडियम एंड ड्राई ईथर सॉल्यूशन होता है और एल्केन अपने पास प्रोडक्ट में फॉर्म होता है. सो द रिएक्शन इज नेम्ड आफ्टर द फ्रेंच केमिस्टिस्ट Charles Adolphe Woods, who are discovered to aldol reactions apart for the sodium metals like silver, indium, activated copper, zinc, and irons can also be used in the Woods reactions in order to obtain alkanes. So the mechanism of this reactions is involved free radicals mechanism, allowing for the possible of side reactions. So the led to the formations of alkanes as the products. The reactions is related to the Woods reactions is which aryl halide are used to in aryl halide are used of a alkyl halide is obtained are called a Woods fittings reactions and is a very important named reactions is organic chemistry. Now we explain Wood reactions. The general form of the Wood reactions equation can be written as alkyl halide 2 moles of alkyl halide react with sodium in the presence of ether and dry ether convert to alkane products. It can be observed for the equation. Two alkyl groups are joined, yield and alkane with longer chain along with sodium halide with X is halogens. Now we discuss Woods reaction mechanism. The mechanism of a Woods reactions involve a free radical steps denoted by R dot, which is the part of halogen metal exchange. The mechanism is a somewhat similar to the formation of Grignard reagents. So the carbon-carbon bond is formed in a nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reactions mechanism, which can be broken down in the following 3 steps. First steps. Now we discuss mechanism. Students अपन कर रहे हैं mechanism discuss. ठीक है. तो the first steps the transfer of an electron from the methyl sodium in this case so halogen led to the form of a alkyl halide along with the metal halide. Thus reactions can be written as in the given below. Rx react with sodium, alkyl halide react with sodium, convert to R dot free radical plus sodium plus alkyls. And second steps are a different sodium atom non-donated a single electron to the alkyl radical leading to the formation of a alkyl anions as shown below. So alkyl radical anions react with sodiums convert to RNA positives. So the carbon belonging to the alkyl anions having a nucleophilic nature proceeds to display the halogen in a alkyl halides via a SN2 reactions and form the covalent bond with the carbon which are bonded with the halogens. So the reactions detailing the steps which are given below. RNA plus Rx react with alkyl R प्लस Na प्लस एस. तो सो स्टूडेंट सेकंड में RNA की रिएक्शन कराएंगे पर RX के साथ. तो अपने पास R बॉन्ड R एल्किल बॉन्ड एल्किल प्लस Na प्लस X माइनस. सो discussed the early, the free radical mechanism for the Wurtz reactions involve the possibility of alkene being procedures as a side effect product. So these reactions are explained via the reaction proceeded below. Thus, the required alkanes products is formed is the Wurtz reactions mechanism. It can be noted to the reactions has relatively lower yields due to the formation of multiple product limitations of Wurtz reactions. A few limitations of Wurtz reactions are listed below. Commonly, only symmetric alkanes can be synthesized via this method since a mixture of alkane products are formed. When dissimilar alkanes are reacted, this mixture are difficult to separate. So there are exist and side reactions via which a alkane product is formed. And should the alkyl halide but bulky in nature, specifically at the halogens, and there is a greater amount of alkane formed. So the methane cannot be synthesized via a Wurtz reaction since the products of a organic coupling reactions must have to list two carbon atoms. So the Wurtz coupling method generally fails with tertiary alkyl halide are usage. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये होती है लिमिटेशन. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, अपन को सबसे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इसमें क्या रखना है अपन को कि एल्किल हैलाइड रिएक्ट विद सोडियम इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ डाई ईथर कन्वर्ट टू प्रोडक्ट आर फॉर्म्ड एल्किन. एल्किल हैलाइड की RX की रिएक्शन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सोडियम के साथ इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ डाई ईथर से कराते हैं तो क्या बनती है अपने पास एल्किन बनता है. ओके, थैंक यू.